There we go.
Well, here we are in Oderlin's basement, and today we're running the Mallard, the Hornby Mallard. Now just look at this, folks. Underneath the coal on the tender is the boiler. Now just a little minute boiler here.
You were putting 20 mil rather than 25.
Yep. I'm just filling the boiler now. There we go.
Steam oil?
Half a ml of steam oil applied by the syringe there. So set to full heat, and you can hear the servo going there.
Oh.
Now, if you see the red light there,
Yeah.
that means everything's okay.
I know.
So we've got a red light, means she's heating up, and it won't be long now. Now the whistle. And just look at this. Live steam Mallard. Look at this. Going smoothly around the track. What a lovely little engine. Absolutely beautiful. Now on the control box, now Oderlin set it to simmer while he works on putting the coaches on the track so that it doesn't cool down too much, and before long we'll see Mallard pulling our own coaches. There we go.
Power back up.
Mallard at the front, and 4 coaches there, the brake van at the back. Now, this is working the servo here that you see, so you can see it's a learning curve, as Oderlin says. It's not just a case of switching this one on and getting it to work. You're working with live steam here, and it just takes a little bit of coaxing. A little bit more steam now, and Mallard's showing her paces. She's really travelling now. It's amazing just how little Oderlin gave the steam regulator there, and you can see she's pulling these four coaches as if they weren't there. It's really amazing. What a lovely setup. Lovely.